You need to watch this video because in this video you are going to learn difference between the gasoline piston and diesel engine piston. Yes, the piston performs the same function in all internal combustion. However, due to the type of the combustion that the two engines are experiencing, the piston are differs. I'll mention four reasons or four difference between the petrol engine piston and diesel engine piston. Let's go straight to number one. The number one is that when it comes to diameter, the gasoline engine has a smaller diameter compared to a diesel engine with a bigger diameter. Why is it like that? In most cases, petrol engine is usually used in lighter engine. When it comes to diesel engine, the piston usually has a bigger or a bigger diameter simply because majority of diesel engine is classified as heavy duty engine. So the diameter is usually big. What is the second thing is the thickness of the wall thickness. When it comes to the wall thickness, in gasoline engine, the thickness of the wall of the piston is usually light so that it can accommodate the speed of the engine. In gasoline engine, the speed of the piston is much faster than in diesel engine. So the lighter, the more the wall of the piston become light, the more it is for it to travel very fast. But when it comes to diesel engine, it has a thicker wall because when it comes to the RPM, the diesel engine run lesser RPM to gasoline engine. So in diesel engine, you have a thicker piston wall. But when it comes to gasoline engine, the wall is very light. And what is the third reason? The third reason is in fact one of the major reasons that has to do with the edge. In gasoline engine, you have a flat edge without something like a O. It's usually flat. But when it comes to diesel engine, you have a O. That O is referred to as combustion chamber. It has combustion chamber. It is due to the type of combustion that happens in diesel engine. You know, in gasoline engine, the spark plug help to cause the the mixture of air and fuel. It cause the ignition there. But when it comes to diesel engine, it is self ignition. So here it has O or a combustion chamber on the piston edge to accommodate this. And because of the, the heavy combustion that happen on diesel engine, it's usually big and stronger compared to the level of the level of compression that occur in gasoline engine. And when it comes to the material, the two are made up of aluminum alloy or sometimes pure aluminum. So it's almost the same material. But these are the differences. The major difference that you should pay attention to is the small ball on the piston edge of a diesel engine, which has to do with the the combustion chamber of the piston. So these are the difference between these two. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Thank you.